nutrients directly to the roots of the plants. These miniature sunflowers will reach about 4 feet in height when they're fully grown. Coming up to the left of the boat, you can still see some of the beautiful flowers left on the cotton plants. About 3 months after the flowers fall off, the cotton will start to form. By the way, all the plants grown here in the greenhouses are grown without soil. Growing plants without soil is known as hydroponics. Our next greenhouse is our production or string greenhouse. In here, everything is grown vertically. Not only does this allow better airflow through the leaves, but also eliminates the rotting of the plants, as you can see. And just to let everyone know that these are cucumbers, not zucchini. Also coming up on either side of the boat, we have lettuce plants in the styrofoam boards, which are actually floating in a bed of water, and the nutrients are dissolved into the water. Up the poles, we have Malabar, which is where lipstick comes from. Here at the land, we've invented a device called the lysimeter. What it does is continuously weighs the plants, and based on the weight, injects the right amount of water and nutrients into the pots. About 1/3 of the world's food crops is destroyed by pests each year. Here at the land, we practice what is known as integrated pest management. For instance, leaf miners eat the leaves of plants, so we release wasps to destroy the leaf miners. Cuts down the use of pesticides by 60%. If you would like to sample some of the fruits and vegetables growing here in the greenhouses, they are featured in the Garden Grill restaurant on the upper level, or the Sunshine Season food fair on the lower level of the Land Pavilion. Our last greenhouse is our creative greenhouse, another way we're using aeroponics to grow plants without soil. The A-frames on either side of the boat, we can grow about 700 lettuce plants in each of those A-frames. Try growing them flat on the ground in the same space, you would only be able to grow about 100 of them. These cylinders here, the roots are basically just hanging down inside those cylinders with the nutrients dripping down through them. On either side of the boat, we have squash. You can see about how big they'll get to the lower right. The exposed roots get plenty of oxygen that they need from the air, while the water and nutrients are being sprayed on as they enter in through the mist boxes. In the biotechnology lab, scientists are working with the Department of Agriculture to create better plants through genetic engineering. Some of the techniques you've seen here today are being used in farms all over the world. Others will become more common as we develop new methods that will increase production while striving to maintain the natural resources of the land.